Hi everyone, so today I'll be rating aficionado scents for men. So I have here F2, F4, and F51. So let's start with F2. So F2 is actually their best seller. It has a fern, aromatic, citrus, and woody scent. Pwede ko siyang gamitin kapag like magdadinner sa labas, kakain with family and friends. It's not really my like go-to scent, pero I'll wear this kapag occasional. So I'll rate this scent mga 8.5 out of 10. So the next scent is F4. So F4 is actually my favorite among the three. It has a floral, citrus, woody, aromatic smell. I can wear this kapag pupunta na school, and this is my kind of smell kasi medyo matamis pero hindi siya sobrang tamis. Like, meron lang siyang tweak na ganun. So if I'll be rating this scent, I'll be rating this mga 10 out of 10 because this is my go-to smell. So last but not the least is F51. So F51 is actually their newest scent for 2023 for men. So this scent has an aromatic, citrus, fresh, woody, and musky, spicy scent. So if you want to feel sexy, this scent will like boost you up. So I'll be using this scent whenever I have an outdoor activity because this will really level up your scent game. So I'll be rating this mga 9.5 out of 10. Get yours now if you want to smell expensive for an affordable price.